Hello guys, my name is Rajesh Dey. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will give you an overview of amazing designing software Figma. I will cover the basic things of Figma, which as a UI designer we mostly use, like to creating an app design, website design or iPad design. It can be used by the graphic designer also to create portrait, logo design, banners, social media post, like how we create in Illustrator. This tool can be used by non-designer also to create any PPT or anything if they want to save or they want to create. Okay, it has advantages like it's free software, it's really fast, it's collaborative tool, like number of people can work on a single file. It works on any computer, Mac, Windows, Linux, and the best part is it works on the browser, so you can work from any part of the world. Just you have to add your credential, login, password, that's it. You can watch your design on mobile app. You have to just download a Figma app from App Store and the Play Store. I've hardly found any downside of this app. If you have found, please comment down below. And if you work as a freelancer, you can take the premium plan also. So I don't want to take more time of yours, so let's get started. Type Figma, you just have to click it. So for a first timer it will look like this. So here you will get a little glimpse of like what exactly the Figma does, like explore ideas together, bring those ideas to life. You can read if you want, but just for a newbies, just click on get started. Just add email, password, or you can continue with Google, or if you already have an account, just log in it. So this was for the first timer, so that's why I've opened incognito mode. So go to the Figma. So if you already have a login, so it will look like for this for you. Okay, so here you will get all the things like FigJam file. So here you can collaborate with the team, and the best part of Figma is you will find different templates. Like if you want to create information architecture, or if you want to create a persona or empathy mapping, you can find the templates here. So I don't want to go in depth of this, so I just want to show you the basic thing of the Figma for the first time. So you just have to click on new design file. On the left hand side you will find the layers. Okay, so whatever the objects you create, you will find the layers here. At the top you will find the tools. So wherever there is a drop down, find there is multiple things is there. On the right hand side you will find the properties. Right hand side is divided into three sections: design, prototype, inspect, and in between you will find the blank canvas. I have created few of the designs, so it will help you more to understand. I will copy paste this, Control C, Control V. So on the left hand side you will find the layers. You just have to click on a drop down. You will find all the detail. So at the top you just have to click it here. You can go back to files. You just go to the main dashboard. And the best part is I have downloaded the Figma app also, Figma software basically. Yeah, so I work on both, like on a browser plus if I want to work on an application. So you just have to download it, double click, it will open. So I will get back to my browser. If you want a physical file, okay, so you from here you can save it locally, or if you want a FigJam file to collaborate with your partners, with your colleagues, you can do it from here. And what I know, you can just import the sketch file into the Figma. Only sketch file will works on the Figma, no XD or nothing. Here you can go to the different tools, just you can play with it, and you whatever the plugins you have downloaded, you can find it here. Okay, and from here you can, if you want to log out, you from here you can do it. Okay, if you want to open in desktop app, basically you will go to the desktop app. So get back to my browser. So here this is a move tool. Okay, so for example, this is my screen. I just have to move from here to anywhere. So this is basically a move tool. You can move anything. This is a scale. This mostly helps in a responsive layout. Okay, from here you can add the frame is basically an artboard. So here you will get all the types of different artboard for phones, for tablets, for desktop, or graphic designer want to work on a social media post. So from here you will get different sizes of the post. They will find here also. Like for example, if I want to create an Instagram post, they just have to click it. So here there will be an Instagram post like 1080 into 1080. Don't want right now, so just I'm deleting it. Zoom in. For zoom in and zoom out, you just have to click on control and the middle mouse. You just have to do it like this. You can zoom in, zoom out. Then these are the basic shapes. Let's take rectangle. You just have to hold shift plus drag your mouse. You will get exactly the proportional of a square. If you don't want on a proportion, so just you have to drag it. So you will get on any size. You just have to drag it. I'm just deleting it. Both this thing. This is line. This helps you in a divider. This is arrow. This is ellipse. For example, from here you can give a color. For example, I'm giving this color, basic color. So if I want to create a moon, half moon basically, so select both this. You have to go it here. From here you can just click on subtract selection, half moon. Or if I want some different, like to merge both the circles, union selection, intersect selection, so it intersect each other. Exclude the selection, so basically the middle section will exclude it. So from here you can play with it. Okay, I am just deleting this also. From here you can add the stars. If you have any image, you can place it. Then this is a pen tool. So this, if you are a graphic designer or you make portraits, you know what's the significance of pen tool. So basically from pen tool you can create anything, waves, or basically you can create anything, a portrait also, a human made face also. If you want to fill this, just click here, just give some color, and here just click on a move. From here you can move and you can play with the nodes. Just click on done. That's it. From here you can use the pencil. I hardly have used this pencil. You can create anything, but for a graphic designer it can be used. So again I will go to my move tool, select, delete. This is a text tool, so you can type anything. Shortcut key is T. Hi, my name is Rajesh. You can change the colors from right hand side. This is the property panel. So you can change the color. You can add, if you want a gradient color, you can add it. For example, this one is red, this one can be different. You can play with the opacity also. It will be for both. Okay. Then if you want to change the font or the typeface, basically most people call the font. but in real it's called typeface. Poppins. Typeface have been changed. You can change the family, font family, semi-bold, bold, you can take it. It's up to you. You can change the sizes 32, 34 or anything. It depends. I'm just changing the color. Might be it will not look good. Solid, yeah, plain and simple black. From here you can center it, or for example, see, either you can left align, center line, right align, okay, or this font is here, okay. If you want in the middle, you just have to click in this. At the bottom you just have to click on this, okay, and you just have to click on this, so it will get back to this. Here you will get also the more properties like capital, small, like first letter will be the capital. Here you can play with it basically. Alignment, everything is here, okay. Then just basically you have to play, because play with this thing you get more idea. From here effects are there, strokes, export, just delete it. Here you will find the Rajesh there. So basically it depends how many people are working on this particular file. So here it can be number of people can be there, okay. So if you want to share this design with your client, you just have to click on a share. You just have to copy link, or you can add the client email ID. You just have to share the send invite. That's it. If you want to see the prototype of this design, you just have to click here. You just have to preview it. So here it will appear. See, here you can see that in the preview. And here, from here you can increase the size, like zoom into 200%, 100%, but mostly people don't use this. You just have to click on the control and middle mouse button, just you have to scroll it, that's it. This is the resource, okay. You just have to click here, okay. Here you will find all the components. Components is basically whatever the components you have made. For example, this is the button, okay. Just right click, create a component, okay. This will be a component, okay. For a new screen, if you are making a new screen, okay, you want to change this agree and continue into proceed, okay. This is the parent of all buttons. Of basically you have made it the component, so this is the parent, and you are changing the size. So that's it. So basically it will affect on all the buttons. So it works like that. So basically in Figma you mostly works on the component. So I'm deleting this file. Just copy this button, click on this artboard, just Ctrl V, it will be here. Click it again. You just have to click on a plugins. Here all the plugins which I have downloaded, plus you will find the different plugins which will use whenever you're creating a design, okay. Lot of plugins are there, so you don't have to repeat your design, or you want to create any shapes. For example, there will be a gradient block, you can create any shapes, or font replacer. For example, if you want to change whole font family or font, you can use font replacer. I will not go deep in this, okay. This is widget, so you will find all the widgets here. For example, if I want a notes widget, you just have to type it here. You will get this loading. You just have to drag it here. You can see notes. Here lot of widgets are there, or if you want more widgets, you just have to click on the browse more and community. You just have to play with it basically. Just I'm deleting this section. This is a pan mode. Basically it will move your screen basically to anywhere, okay, up and down, right, left, both. And the shortcut key is space bar. Okay, just type shortcut key is V for a move tool. This is a prototype. Okay, so for example, if I want to create an interaction of both the screen for a user, whenever he clicks on agree and continue, he will go to this screen. Just you have to click it here and here, that's it. Here on click, that's it. Navigate to screen name, animation, instant, or smart animate. Just play with it, whatever you want. Okay, ease in, ease out. In Figma I will make a few of the tutorials in animation. Just click on this, preview, agree and continue. See, the second screen appears here. Close this. This inspect will help to the developer. Okay, for example, if the developer want to see what are the font sizes and what are the colors, so here he will find the typeface name, weight, what is the size, what is the line height, letter, and what is the color. So basically this section will help to the developer. Okay, this section will be used for the iOS developer, HTML developer, or the Android developer. So here they can get the code, okay, from this section. iOS, they get the code, or this one is for Android, this one is for CSS. Yes, prototyping is just an awesome feature in Figma. This Figma link you can share with your client so they can use it. This is a slice tool. For example, if you want a certain section from this file, you just have to slice it. Okay, go to design, export slice 1. You will find the certain section of that file. I don't want slice, so I'm just deleting it. If you want to give some highlight, okay, for example, if you want to give a drop shadow, you come to effects, drop shadow. You just have to click on a drop shadow. You can increase this blur. Okay, for example, just increase the opacity, make it black, make it 50%. Yep, there is a drop shadow. Okay, apart from that, there is a drop shadow, layer blur, background blur. So basically these tools can help you to making a glass morphism design. I've already made a tutorial how to make a glass morphism design. Just you have to click on the I button at the top. If you want to change the size, okay, from here you can change like width. This is for height. So for here you have to bring it to the center. You can make it from here also, or you can type like 70. And if you want in a proportional size, just you have to click on this, so you can make it on proportion. Okay, if you want to give more rectangular, you have to click here. You can play with it. If you want to change the angle, you can do it from here. If you want to break the rounded rectangular into, for example, at the top you want 15, at the bottom you want 5. So 5, 5. It will look like this. Okay. Now from here on export section, you can either download a PNG, JPEG, SVG, PDF, anything. For example, if you have created any icon, you have to download on SVG. If you want to share any button, okay, you can share on PNG. You can share this design on a PNG or JPEG or a PDF, and you can change the size. For example, if you are downloading in for different phone, for example, from here you just have to click it 1x, 2x, 3x for an iPhone. It will give that. From here you can preview it at the bottom, and if you are happy with this design, just export. Just click on export. So this thing you will find on your download folder. Then there is a comment shortcut key is C. So from here you can add comments. A comment can be written by you, your team, your clients. Add comment, for example, change BG color into red. Click on post. So whenever your colleague come and he click it here, he will get the notification like change PG color into red. Okay, so you can also do few of the things. For example, you click it here, you can edit the comment, you can delete the thread, or if the task is done you can resolve it, or your colleague or your clients can resolve this. So these are the basic tools in Figma which we mostly use. So just play with the layers, tools, properties to get more used to it. Figma, okay, it's one of the fantastic software for designing. So anyone can use this. Create any design, check out different tools, how it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, or if you want to understand more about the UI UX or Figma, please comment down below. Please subscribe to this channel and share this video who want to start the design journey. I hope you will love this video, and whatever the suggestion you have, please comment down below. Please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.